Hi
Hi
everyone.
everyone. Welcome to another episode with Mehak and Vanshika.
And
And हमारे
today
हमारे चैनल का नाम है
क्या है?
क्या है? सॉरी हमें अभी भी
अभी नहीं
डिसाइड नहीं
पता नहीं.
किया.
It's okay. It doesn't. This
Yes.
is not the goal. The
Yes.
goal is to share.
Yes.
Share our thoughts, our ideas,
Yes. And the right information with all of
reaching the
you.
right people.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yes.
And talking about so much righteousness. So today we are going to talk about
मेरा स्वधर्म एक्चुअली नहीं
हमारा
हमारा
स्वधर्म.
स्वधर्म. आई थिंक ये इतना इतना हैवी वर्ड है स्वधर्म.
स्वधर्म.
आई मीन बेहोश ही ना हो जाए सब
सुन
ये
करके.
सुन करके. हाँ.
बट आई फील कि धर्मा तो बहुत लोगों ने सुना है बट स्वधर्म की आज हम बात करने वाले हैं.
यस. एक्चुअली हमारी आदत है ना कि हम सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन बहुत कम ही करते हैं.
हम कुछ ज्यादा ही कर रहे हैं लग रहा है
हाँ हम
आजकल.
शायद कुछ ज्यादा ही कर रहे हैं.
हमारा सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन ओवर द टॉप हो गया है.
हाँ.
हाँ.
बट सबको सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन की वो आदत नहीं है तो शायद स्वधर्म को समझना भी इतना आसान
आसान
नहीं
नहीं
है.
है. सो
तो
व्हाट डू यू थिंक महक, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हाट इज योर स्वधर्म?
सी स्वधर्म जो वर्ड है आई थिंक वो दो वर्ड्स से बना है. स्व विच इज सेल्फ एंड धर्म विच इज द राइटियसनेस ऑफ कोर्स. तो धर्मा इज योर कर्मा जो कि सही डायरेक्शन में जाना, सही काम करना, इवन दो वो कितना भी मुश्किल हो और कितनी भी चैलेंजेस आप फेस कर रहे हो, बट यू नो इट्स राइट सो यू हैव टू डू इट irrespective of whatever the situation is or your
राइट.
condition is. So I think that is what swadharma is. And to
I
you?
think again swadharma is that makes you feel connected to the self. I
Hmm.
feel. And we are all very disconnected these days, connected with everything yet connected with nothing.
Yes.
Connected with everything as in that we are involved everywhere. If you see that we want to do everything
Hmm.
in today's time, because it is such a competitive world कि आज लग रहा है ये भी कर लो ये भी कर लो ये भी कर लो, but एक के साथ भी purely we are not connected. I'm not
Hmm.
saying about human connection here. I am mentioning about connection with little things, day to day things also in your life. I think we are very much disconnected, but I pray here right now in the moment that we are very much connected, that we stay connected throughout this, conversation,
Hmm.
so that it,
Yes.
it brings out the best. Yes, coming back to the topic. So I think Swadharma is something that makes you feel connected to the self while serving others.
Yeah, exactly. That's
While
that's very
serving others.
important.
Yes.
While serving others, I think हम काम तो हम सभी करते हैं, but very few of them are there who really want to serve others.
Yes.
क्योंकि हमें वी डिज़ायर एवरीथिंग फॉर आवर ओन सेल्फ, फॉर आवर
Hmm.
ओन बेनिफिट, कि मुझे
Hmm.
इतना पैसा अपने लिए चाहिए, इतनी बड़ी गाड़ी चाहिए, इतना बड़ा घर चाहिए, एंड ऑल फॉर माई सेल्फ.
Hmm.
बट देर आर वेरी फ्यू पीपल आउट देयर हु आर एक्चुअली डूइंग दिस इज
Hmm.
इन द वेलफेयर ऑफ ऑल अदर पीपल. और बहुत कम लोग ही ऐसा सोच भी पाते हैं. नॉट
Hmm.
एवरी वन हैज दैट
Has that
कैपेसिटी
capacity.
एंड दैट हार्ट to think for other people.
I think to think for others, you need to, go a little beyond your expectations. I mean, we have a lot of expectations from people, right?
Hmm.
And it's humanly to have expectations in your day to day lives. But the more you are connected with yourself, the more you're able to serve others, or vice versa. The more you're serving others, the more you're connected to the self. So, this is my personal experience, right?
Hmm.
Everyone can have their own definition of their own swadharma, of their own righteousness, of their own, way of doing things for others. But for me, I believe that, like, being educators, or I feel like I am a psychologist. So, what is my swadharma? I don't know whether I have really identified it or I'm still in the process of identifying it. But currently, what I feel is that whenever I see, my clients healing, or texting me that I am at a better place, emotionally and mentally, and I have evolved as a better person over the years, over the months, or I am out of that, toxic situation, or I am I've got a good job or whatsoever. I've seen people struggling. When I see people struggle in their journey, it's a very personal connection,
Yes.
knowing people so much closely, understanding their lives. And then there comes a point when I feel that, oh yes, they're evolving. You also see their journey so personally that it becomes your happiness, that
Hmm.
they are feeling happy, I'm feeling happy. Like they are feeling evolved, that they also feel that they have evolved a lot. So I also feel, yes, they have come from, from a situation where they were not even recognizing that
Hmm.
where to go and what to do.
Right.
So I think that when I see them be feeling, at a better place, or when I see them doing something good for themselves which earlier they were not able to do, so I feel that I'm very grateful that I got that. I was the chosen one to, be that medium to serve them. And that makes me happy. So
And that this is how you're fulfilling your swadharma.
maybe.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah, I feel that, yeah.
Hmm.
Our swadharma can also evolve. I mean, I feel very much connected with myself when I see others healing.
Hmm.
I don't know. It is. It cannot be valued by money, or it cannot be, measured by money or any other thing, any other. But nothing, no, nothing material can buy me that feeling of feeling connected to the self in that very moment when someone says that, "Ma'am, I've done this, I've done that, or I've got out of this situation." And looking at people, gaining so much of confidence and, strength in their journey, converting their weaknesses into strength, that makes me feel good, that I am contributing something to the
Hmm.
society. And what's best, and listening such good stories, understanding and watching people, creating their strengths, feels good.
I think this is really beautiful, and guys, it's not easy to connect to yourself, to recognize
Hmm.
your swadharma. It takes years. There are so many people out there who don't even know ki, what
What
do
is it?
they
Hmm.
what is the right path, or what's that right direction that one
Hmm.
person would want to take. कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि हम अपने काम के थ्रू अपना नो
Hmm.
धर्मा
फुलफिल कर रहे
फुलफिल
थे.
करना चाहते हैं,
Hmm.
या फिर हम जनरली अपनी डेली लाइफ में कोई ऐसी चीज़ करना चाहते हैं. इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ, आई फील कि giving out the right information,
Hmm.
because I see again, this is there is I mean, we are not here to question anyone, but
Hmm.
we have been like regular consumers of the social media
Right.
ourselves.
Right.
So we have seen how much of I would say false information and
Information.
knowledge is out there about any particular thing, that I've seen a lot of people being so consumed and so much affected by it that they do not even realize that they should be verifying it,
Hmm.
and then actually talking about it or using that information for the self or for other people.
Hmm.
आई मीन वो वाली बात है ना कि किसी एक एक चीज पे बहुत सारे लोगों ने इन्फॉर्मेशन फैलाना स्टार्ट कर दिया एंड पीपल आर बाइंग इट. सो
Hmm.
आई फील as an educator that my swadharma is to give out the right knowledge. अगर मुझे नहीं पता, I will
And
not speak
openly,
about it
or
openly.
openly accept that I don't know.
Yes, I
Yeah.
don't know. In
Hmm.
fact, मैं बोलूँगी कि at this point of time मैंने भी सब कुछ नहीं recognize किया कि मेरा exactly स्वधर्म
स्वधर्म
क्या
क्या
है.
है?
Maybe 10 years down the line
Hmm.
my swadharma is something else.
Right. Hmm.
Maybe life will be demanding something else for me and my swadharma will be totally different.
Or it could be that your swadharm right now, like you said, that spreading the right information, it might expand into various ways. You never know.
Exactly. So
It
when
cannot change, but it can expand, I
it can
believe.
expand or
Hmm.
change in a way, in a very positive manner maybe.
Yes.
So as educators we feel that everyone should be equipped with the right information, and if
Hmm.
that person cannot be equipped, but the person should be well informed, he should have that self reflection, self awareness, कि कोई भी information अगर कभी भी कोई कहीं पे भी पढ़े, he
Hmm.
should first cross verify that
Before
information,
passing that information.
passing that information, because the amount of anxiety or the amount of chaos
Panic,
is and
it creates.
panic it
Hmm.
creates in the environment and
Hmm.
among others, that's really, I mean, obstructive, I would say.
Yes. I also feel that the recent generation, or the time where we have come from, we were also very much occupied with so many things, multiple things. Going to school, focusing on academics, and then
Hmm.
going to various classes, and then ab ye bhi karna, ye bhi karna. So we are living in a competitive world, no doubt. I think it leaves no space for a human being to sit with their thoughts and reflect on the self. आई थिंक अपने आप के साथ कनेक्शन बनाने के लिए भी आपको वो स्पेस, वो टाइम चाहिए। और आज की डेट में अगर हम 1 घंटा भी खाली बैठ जाएँ, तो हम बोलते हैं कि क्या खाली बैठे हो, है
हाँ,
ना? बी
राइट।
प्रोडक्टिव, डू
बी
समथिंग,
प्रोडक्टिव।
आज क्या किया है हमने? हम खुद को भी क्वेश्चन करते हैं, क्योंकि हमसे इतने सवाल किए गए हैं आज तक कि
हाँ।
तुम खाली कैसे बैठे हो? सो वी आल्सो फील दैट वी आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग। सो व्हेन आई से सिटिंग idle, that does not mean watching tv is sitting idle. So basically, you're not consuming information, you're just creating something out of yourself,
Hmm.
releasing the energy from your body rather than consuming energy into your mind, even if it's for half hour or an hour. So I think we one must have that time for the self, to connect with the self in any way possible. Anyone can connect in any way,
Hmm.
whichever that suits the best for them. बट आई थिंक अपना स्वधर्म आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए, कुछ चीज जो तुमको खुद को आइडेंटिफाई करनी है, तो उसके लिए तो तुम्हें खुद को जानना जरूरी है। हम ये सोचते हैं कि बच्चा हमारा स्विमिंग क्लास में जाएगा, डांस में जाएगा, म्यूजिक में जाएगा, तो डिसाइड करेगा क्या पसंद है उसको। बट अभी उसको म्यूजिक में मजा आ रहा है, अभी स्विमिंग में आ रहा है, अभी डांसिंग में आ रहा है, लेकिन खुद के साथ बैठ करके जब तक वो नहीं समझेगा उस चीज को, उसको
Hmm.
स्पेस और टाइम नहीं मिलेगा, तो वो रिफ्लेक्ट कैसे करेगा? सो self reflection, ultimate, the ultimate message right now from my end is that self
Yeah,
reflection is
I
very
think
very
self
important.
reflection should be, one of those subjects in
Hmm.
schools. I
Yes.
mean, in the curriculum, in the system, in fact, families also, if parents are listening to us, so we would really,
Yes.
suggest, because we have actually practiced these things and we have also made our students practice all of these things, because
And
how
we
important self awareness is,
hmm
you can't even imagine. Why? Because सी हम बच्चे को हर चीज पढ़ना सिखाते हैं, एज यू सेड, हम
hmm
स्विमिंग क्लास में भेजेंगे, हम डांस में भेजेंगे, हम म्यूजिक में भेजेंगे, हम सब चीजों में भेजेंगे।
hmm
क्या हम कभी किसी बच्चे को कहते हैं कि ऑब्जर्व करो?
right
क्या हम उसको सिखाते हैं कि
hmm
देखो कि स्कूल में क्या चल रहा है? सो आई वॉज टॉकिंग विद अ पेरेंट एंड उन्होंने अपनी डॉटर को बोला कि बेटा, तुम जा रही हो ना, स्कूल जा रही हो, तो सब कुछ ऑब्जर्व करना वहाँ पे,
हाँ
ऑब्जर्व करके आना कि चल क्या रहा है। तो उसने आके बताया होगा कि मम्मी ऐसे ऐसे ये है और ये सब है। तो मुझे नेक्स्ट डे वो बताती कि पैसा वसूल,
हाँ
कि मेरी बेटी अब वहां जाके ऑब्जर्व कर रही है, वो चीजें देख रही है कि आज ऐसा हुआ, आज वैसा, ऑब्वियसली इन अ पॉजिटिव सेंस ओनली। और जब उन्होंने कहा ना पैसा वसूल, आई वाज लाइक कि ये पेरेंट मीन्स दिस पेरेंट इज टोटली डिफरेंट। ये
hmm
काइंड ऑफ पेरेंटिंग बहुत अलग है, बिकॉज
अलग
हम
है
बच्चों को सब कुछ सिखा सकते हैं,
hmm
बट सेल्फ अवेयरनेस मुझे लगता है ये बहुत बड़ी चीज है। अगर बच्चा सेल्फ अवेयरनेस सीखेगा तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली अपने इमोशंस को भी रेगुलेट
रेगुलेट
करना
करना
सीखेगा
सीखेगा।
और अपने थॉट्स को भी
hmm
आर्टिकुलेट करना सीख पाएगा, जो कि आज के टाइम पे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट
बहुत
है, बिकॉज
इम्पोर्टेंट।
छोटे बच्चों को नहीं पता उनके साथ क्या चल रहा है।
And then what happens, when you are self aware, you actually know what you want from life, what you actually want to do, what you actually want to give to the society. So when you grow up, you're not growing up as a confused individual
Hmm.
who knows everything yet knows nothing. So I think that's very important. And
Exactly, and when the person is self-reflecting, he's capable enough to do that. He knows where he's wrong or where he's right.
yes,
वहां से उसको उसके स्वधर्म की पहचान
पहचान हो
होगी।
जाएगी।
उसको अगर ये चीज अंदर से पता है थप्पड़ मारना गलत है, तो ही विल बी कॉन्शियस नेक्स्ट टाइम। बट वो
यस,
तो कभी बैठा नहीं।
वो तो कभी अपने एक्शंस के ऊपर रिफ्लेक्ट करने के लिए तो कभी
हाँ, कि
सिखाया नहीं
ये चीज
जाता।
मैंने गलत किया, और ये सब भी सिखाने वाले हम लोग
हम
ही
है
हैं। वी आर द वंस, वी हैव टू टेक दैट इनिशिएटिव, एज इन
राइट।
even the parents, the
हम्म
educators, the curriculum
the
has to be
whole
such
system, we as a
exactly.
society are responsible for it.
Yes.
Let's not go into that topic right now. I think let's leave this for the next time.
Oh yes.
So sticking back to हमारा स्वधर्म,
हमारा
क्या
स्वधर्म।
हमारा क्या क्या मेरा स्वधर्म हमारा स्वधर्म तो नहीं?
एग्जैक्टली, इट कुड बी एक्चुअली ये हमारा ही स्वधर्म है,
or part of our Swadharma.
पार्ट ऑफ आवर स्वधर्म.
Hmm.
सो आई थिंक यस,
Yes. So
इससे ज्यादा
let's.
सुंदर तो कोई चीज हो नहीं सकती कि जब सब रियलाइज कर ले दैट दे हैव टू सिट विद देयर थॉट्स एंड go into that Buddha mode and
Zen mode.
Zen mode. Yes, yes.
So,
So
yeah.
we would actually request all of you कि please आप हमारी वीडियो देखें.
And also comment down that did you realize your Swadharma till the
Yes,
journey
and
of your
even if
life?
you do not realize, you're not able to realize, but you want to sit down and think about it, I mean that would be also, you know, a
Yeah.
victory for us.
Is it?
Yes, of course.
Okay,
Okay,
then it's
so
a wrap
until next
up.
time, yes, it's a wrap up. See
See
you
you.
in
Bye
the next
bye.
video. Bye.